Hi, I'm James. Welcome to Brushes of Magic. And here we are, once again, doing another King Diamond makeup. I honestly thought I was done with these, but Ronnie K95 said, hey, why don't you do the one from the Dark Sides album? I was like, alright, yeah, why not? So yeah, if you're not familiar with the Dark Sides EP, it came out in 1988, and this was the makeup that was featured on the album cover. It was kind of a short-lived makeup from King Diamond. He was being sued by Gene Simmons, who said it looked too much like his demon makeup, which in my opinion is complete bullshit. But King decided to change his makeup shortly thereafter, so the case was just tossed. And yeah, so here we are. Nice little piece of metal history for you, if you guys were interested. If you guys like this makeup and you want to see how I accomplished it, please stick around and watch the tutorial. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and look at these reference photos that I pulled up. It doesn't look like he did it exactly the same way every single time, but there are some very close similarities, so I'm going to try to grasp that to get it as close as I possibly can. Using the album cover as the main focus for the one side of the face. I have other photos for the other side. Well, I should probably mirror imaged all of these guys so I flip-flopped it for my face. A little easier. Huh. Yeah. I think I'll do that now. Okay, now that I'm done with that, I'm going to use the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk, and I'm going to use that to outline what I can tell to be the white portion of his face paint job here. About like that. There's some crap going on in there. I'll fill all that in and fix that up later. Okay, so I'm going to take a little bit of a break from the outlining over here, and I'm going to fill in what I have with the clown white right here, because I know that this at least is where it needs to be on this side. Then I can shift what I need around here to try to figure out what goes on over here. Alright, doing that now. Okay, so now I'm going to go finish outlining with the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil and Milk, and then filling again with the Bin Eye Clown White. On the other side now. Okay, so now I'm going to go in real quick with some baby powder just to set this to make sure it's not so tacky while I go in with the black. Same sock method that I used on the last video. Okay, now we're almost to the point where we're going to be doing all the black up here, but first I'm going to go ahead and go in with NYX's Liquid Suede and the shade Alien, and I'm going to go on my lips with that. So now that I've got that portion of the lips filled in, I'm going to go ahead and go in with Bin Eye's Professional Cream Colors in black. I'm going to use that to fill in the major portions over here. Do the outline first, and then I'm going to fill it in. All right, here we go. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and fill in the rest of the eye real quick with the Bin Eye Professional Cream Color in black. And then I'm going to go back in and hurry up and set this with the baby powder before I go on to the rest of the side. Okay, now I'm going to go back in with the Maybelline Professional Cream colors in black, and I'm going to do the same thing to the other side, but obviously not exactly because it's not a symmetrical look. So just like on the other side, I'm going to go ahead and finish filling in the eye and then go in with the baby powder, and then we'll continue on with the mouth from there. Okay, then I'm going to do the mouth with the Maybelline Professional Cream color black, and then I'm going to set that as well with the baby powder. Before I forget, I'm going to go in with CoverGirl's Perfect Blend Classic Eye Pencil in Basic Black. I'm going to use that to line my waterline. Then I'm going to go in with Maybelline's Full and Soft Waterproof Mascara in Very Black. So now the last little bit of detail on this thing. Gotta go back in again with the Maybelline Professional Cream colors in black, and he's got all these freaking circles, like I don't know, like the plague all over his forehead that he decided to draw on there. Don't know why, but it's there, so I gotta put them there. So I'm gonna go back in with my thin brush. Which one is thinnest? That one's probably the best. I'm gonna go ahead and doodle those in. Once I doodle those in, I can go ahead and set those again with the baby powder. That'll pretty much be it. I'll re-examine when we get there. Alright, so here we go. So now I'm going to throw some baby powder on those blobs, and then I'm going to put on my wig, and then yeah, that'll be it. So this is the finished look. Went ahead and added the wig, gloves, jacket. Couldn't find my chain anywhere. Any good 80s metal look should have some sort of chain, right? Oh well. Next time, maybe. So yeah, anyways, as always, all the products I use will be listed down below, as well as all the links to all my social media pages. Let me know if you like this kind of makeup or any other ideas that you might have for the channel. And also don't forget to comment down below. Yeah, say hi. Tell me something. What's your favorite metal band? Are you into metal? What's your favorite band? Music. It's a thing. Do you even listen, bro? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share it, you know, among the internets. People might like to see this. And maybe, I don't know. I'm sharing. You should share. So if you guys would like to see more from this channel, my last video will be linked down below, as well as another video that YouTube thinks might be more up your alley from me over that way. If you haven't already, click my face right over here in between those. It'll help you subscribe. So once again, I hope you guys like this video, and hope you guys come back and join me again next time. Bye.